In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Junior Cycle Business Studies paper and question 16, and we're just going to be looking at the supply and demand curve question. So just taking a read of it here, a competitor has entered the breakfast market selling Corn Krispies, a fluffy and light morning cereal. The predicted supply and demand from market research is listed below. So you can see the price and price, quality demanded, quantity supplied. So when it's at €1, the quantity demanded is 1,000 and the quantity supplied is 200. When the price is 150, the quantity demanded is 800 and the quantity supplied is 400. When it is €2, the quantity demanded is 600, but the quantity supplied is 600. When it's €2.50 then, the quantity demanded is 400 and the quantity supplied is 800. When the price is €3, the quantity demanded is 200 and the quantity supplied is 1,000. So, what are we asked to do here? Number one, using the information above, draw and label the demand and supply curves for Corn Krispies, include a title for your graph and label each axis. Okay, so doing that first, so supply and demand curve, Corn Krispies, and then we'll do each axis then. So the axis going up, okay, so vertically there, that is the price, and the horizontal axis is the quantity. So what we're going to start doing, we are going to start plotting our points here. So when it is €1, okay, the quantity demanded is 1,000. So at €1, the quantity demanded is 1,000. When it's €1.50, the quantity demanded is 800. So I'm reading that off this graph here. When it is €2, the quantity demanded is 600. When the price is €2.50, the quantity demanded is 400. And when the price is €3, the quantity demanded is 200. So that is the demand curve. So you can just draw your straight line then through that. Now we can move on to the quantity. So when the price is €1, the quantity supplied is 200. When the price is 150, the quantity demanded is 400. When the price is €2, the quantity supplied is 600. When the price is $2.50, the quantity supplied is 800. And when the price is €3, the quantity supplied is 1,000. And so again, we'll draw a line through that. And using your diagram or otherwise, identify the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. So the equilibrium is basically where the two curves meet. So you can see there, equilibrium price, €2, equilibrium quantity, €600 or 600 units. Okay, and I wouldn't forget something very important there, your S and your D. So your S to indicate your supply graph or curve, and then your D to show your demand curve. So that is it. You have to be very careful when you're reading from the table that you plot the graph very carefully. Okay, so that is the supply and demand curve done for 2024 question 16.